wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever. When you're lying in my arms, my heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for.
I showed you this little pig that I got at the dollar store before and Dollarama, and I paid $4 for it. And I'm going to be putting it in my garden somewhere. This is part of the series, the Dollarama Dollar Tree series, that I want to show you that you can do something fairly inexpensive and still be able to decorate. I did get this little guy for my little girls, for my granddaughters, because they love little pigs. So I thought I'd do something a little different for them. But he is adorable. I'm going to start off, I want the coat only to go to a certain part. So I'm going to put the tape here. I don't want the paint to go beyond this point. Just remember, preparation saves you a lot of time in the end. So I want to leave, of course, his little tail or his little bum out. So this is all going to be his coat. So I just have to decide how far down I want his coat to be. And I want it to be just about here. So I'm going to put that tape down so that it doesn't go beyond that. Now I've got the clear space I can work with. I'm going to paint this. All these projects that I'm going to be doing will all be sealed before they go outside. So I've cleaned this up already, and I'm going to be painting it just with the Bear, a snow dust. Now, because I have the tape over there, I do want it to go this way. When you put tape, just make sure that you don't go this way. Just paint away from the tape. I find that always helps.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way.
I'm going to move this now. And that's his little coat.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Don't forget that sometimes if you can't, it's not working out with a brush, it could be the brush that doesn't bend well. That causes whatever you're painting. It's not always you. So just keep that in mind. Because, you know, you could be thinking, I can't do this. It's not coming out for me. But you know what? It really is. Let's go back to this one. This is that Zen brush. I do recommend that, you know, you can use any brush, but at the end of the day, guys, if you do invest in a good set of brushes, Zen are really good. This is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I'm just telling you what I use and what works for me. But you do you. And you can go in and clean a little bit of that after. I'm not worried about it. He is kind of, you know, he's not balanced. So it kind of goes like this. So I'm going to add a little bit of black down there and then kind of goes shorter that way. So I like the way he's turning out. I think I should give him some little tassels on his outfit. I don't know. What do you think? I like it. Should we give him some tassels back here? I don't know. What do you think? No, that might be a little much. So there you go. There's your project for today. Super easy. Go for it. Don't wait. I'm doing this in checkers because most of my viewers are, you know, Mackenzie Childs fans. But you can do this with anything. You can do this with a blue blanket, a red blanket. You can do circles. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. I just chose to do it squares. There's my little guy. I really like the way he turned out. There's going to be some changes coming up in my life in the next few months. So I'm going to be keeping all these DIYs that I'm for another possible location. We'll keep you updated. Is it a him or a her? Whoever. I just want her to be happy. I love him. And remember, you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.
Keep on searching for my